Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Yakshi and let's start with today's top health news. Private hospitals and doctors fined 20 lakhs for medical negligence resulting in death during blood transfusion. The District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, Coimbatore, recently directed a hospital and 3 doctors to pay rupees 20 lakh as compensation to a man whose wife died due to medical negligence during a blood transfusion. While considering the matter, the Consumer Court observed that proper informed consent was not obtained and required tests were not conducted before the transfusion, and even though the patient complained of body pain, the transfusion was not immediately stopped. Following the transfusion, the patient developed TRALI, transfusion-related acute lung injury, and consequently died. NEET MDS 2024, AFMS announces 1 periodontology seat for priority 3, 4 and 5 candidates in upcoming MCC round. Through a notice, Armed Forces Medical Services has informed that 1 seat in a postgraduate subject, that is periodontology at AFMC Pune, is available for priority 3, 4 and 5 candidates in the next round of MCC counselling. As per the MCC counselling schedule, the next round is to be held from August 12, 2024. Notice has been released for priority 4 candidates and dental officers sponsored by military organizations and other organizations of the Government of India for admission to postgraduate courses through the National Eligibility and Entrance Test Exam 2024 in AFMS institutions for the academic year 2024. Green Corridor achieves 18 km in 13 minutes, enables heart transplant for 34-year-old at Gurugram Hospital. A green corridor was created amidst the gushing rains and traffic snags to transport a heart from the Delhi airport to Gurugram Hospital, covering a distance of 18 km in just 13 minutes. A heart was swiftly transported from Kolkata to Gurugram to offer a dying man a chance at life. With the support of around 100 police officers, the heart was transported from Kolkata to Gurugram in 4 hours to save the life of a 34-year-old man from Rohtak. UP eliminates seats leaving penalty. Candidates who discontinue medical courses to face next year's counselling ban. Complying with the National Medical Commission's earlier direction, the Uttar Pradesh Director General of Medical Education and Training has removed the practice of imposing a seat leaving penalty on candidates discontinuing the courses midway. Instead of imposing penalties on undergraduate and postgraduate medical candidates for leaving the seats midway, the state has decided to debar such candidates from the admission process for the next academic session. National mission screens over 3 crore people for sickle cell anemia. MOS held reports to Parliament. Over 3 crore population in the 17 identified states in the country have been screened for sickle cell anemia disease till June 30, 2024. The Union Ministry of State for Health Shri Pratap Rao Jadhav informed the Lok Sabha last week. The minister informed that sickle cell disease is a genetic blood disease that affects the whole life of the patient. It is more common in tribal population of India but occurs in non-tribals too. It not only causes anemia but also pain crisis, reduces growth and affects many organs like the lungs, heart, kidneys, eyes, bones and the brain. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.